Today, I will talk to you again about black rock sugar. We all know that there are many top-tier black sugar. I personally think there are only two recognized top tiers. They are Versus and RC. If we compare these two, which one is better? Let's take a look. First, let's look at the color difference. In the video, we can see that the gold color of Versus is slightly heavier than that of RC. When we put them together, we can see that IC is a lighter shade of gold, while the other one is darker, but it will be shinier and brighter. You can take a look, but according to the cabinets we compared, the light gold color is more in line with the standard. Secondly, we compare the weight. First, let's look at the weight of RC, which can reach about 211 grams. Then let's look at the Versus. It can reach about 182 grams. Through this weight comparison, we find that the weight of RC is more in line with the version. Thirdly, we compared the details of the dial. The black one has no color difference. Both wooden seats are fine. You can see that they are both fine. There is no problem with this. Including the base under it, there is no exposed black. Let's zoom in to see it clearly. This is the RC and VR, both are fine. The font are made exactly the same, but there is a slight difference in the middle axis. The RC's central axis is made in the shape of a hat, but there is no obvious deviation. But the Versus can see obvious deviation. You can see the center point. There is no problem at all. The comparison of the font. There is no problem. The shape is the same. The workmanship of the pointer is completely fine. So in terms of the entire dial, the Versus has a higher degree of restoration. There are no other major issues. The fourth point is the comparison of the movement. Versus is equipped with a Dandong 3255 integrated machine with a power reserve of 72 hours, while the RC is equipped with a Shanghai-made one with power reserve of about 68 hours. Over time, both Shanghai and Dandong have no problems. It's relatively stable. Finally, in conclusion, the overall fidelity of Versus is relatively high, mature craftsmanship, and does not fade. The Dandong movement is also very stable. However, in terms of appearance, color is a little too heavy. The overall color of RC is very close. The product has also been tested for more than half a year, and the quality is relatively stable. There is not much difference between Shanghai and Dandong movements, so overall, RC in terms of appearance will meet everyone's standards more. Of course, if you want to choose Versus, I think there won't be much problem between them. Okay, that's all for today's comparison and evaluation. Let's talk next time.